Yeah, I spoke a bit crudely.
Yes, this over 200 oil, all packed up. Over 200 increase.
You guys are better than me.
Are those from France?
No, those are missing one.
You know it's not them. You know their footprints are that far. That's 53, Dada. You sit in the back.
What is it meant to call that? Or is it called being pretentious? I can't turn it on. A few more days coming later.
Question, okay.
Like me, I can't speak this language. Now how do you see them? Well, looking at it this way, the actors are quite good, regardless of positioning issues. The main thing is the actors. A bit lacking, but the rest is good.
Then
What to say? They just won't say it, of course. It's still there. But no matter what you say you remember wrong, let's just give him some advice.
Actually, at the beginning, we thought it was possible. We didn't expect that in the middle, Xiao Ha and Da Vi performed well, right? We performed well.
Actually, today was a rally, originally thought.
You can get ready to go on stage. I'll come back after playing a music game. My husband is someone else.